Hi, Rachel. So this is how you can access to some of the files that you can find in the cabinet. So you have to go to Share Drive. Then you are going to have access to this Grade 2 folder. I'm not sure if you already have access or you will have eventually. So you go to Grade 2 and here you will have the entire curriculum. These are not the only resources you can use, but it's a great starting point. So it's up to you if you decided to use them or not. But here, for example, in Writer's Workshop, you will have the 4 units that you're going to be working next year. So you click here and you have tons of resources that you can use, or you can find something similar if you like it more. But this is a very good, this gives you a very good idea of what you're going to be teaching and what you're going to be doing. Okay. So here you have the entire curriculum, for example, social studies, and you will have the 2 units that we're going to be working. And you have tons of things that you can take from here, or you can have an idea of what you're going to be teaching and then get other resources. I think Grade 3 also work in the same way, but here a lot of teachers collaborate and add new things in the folder so everyone can have access to it. Okay, so this is it. Anything you need, just let me know. Okay, bye bye.